Welcome back to another video. This one we are going to install the new graphic card that we got. First thing to know, remember that wristband that I showed you earlier? Make sure that's attached to you and some more metal. And in this one, we're going to actually need a screwdriver to get the other hard drive, or not the other hard drive, the other graphic card, which is the GeForce GTX 560. The new one is and one other thing to know is make sure before you start that you unplug the power to the unit. And this one is really going to be really critical that you do that because you don't want it turning on or anything. So this one is the new graphic card. It is the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 graphic card inspired by gamers and built by Nvidia. Like it says right there. Alright, so you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you sure? Alright, well here we go. We're gonna... Oh my. Look at that graphic card. That's incredible. Isn't it? Alright, well this is, like I said, this is the GeForce GTX or GTX 1080 graphic card. As you can see, it's a monster of a graphic card. Look at this sucker. Look at it. It's got lots of ports on it. So again, if you notice, this is in a static thing as well. Make sure that you're good to go. So first thing we're going to need to do to get this installed, and be very careful again, like I said, make sure it's unplugged, all that. First thing we have to do is unscrew the other graphic card. So right here you can see there's a screw here. So pretty much you're just gonna unscrew it. And this is gonna unloosen it from the motherboard, which is what the motherboard does, is it makes everything work together. So we're just gonna unscrew that. And this thing is probably gonna be wicked hot because it gets a lot of use in my computer. Oh my god, this is very hot. So we're just gonna make sure it comes out. Again, you want to be very, very careful with doing anything like this. You don't want to damage anything. Is there anything you screwed down there? No. Alright. Why is it? Okay, there we go. So this is the, oh my god, this thing is dusty. Well, this is the old graphic card. It's still plugged in, but you can see this is the old one. Oh my god, that's much bigger than the... So we are gonna need these two cords, I believe, to power the unit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just unplug these. Somehow they will unplug. Okay. Yeah, these came with the computer. So I need to somehow unclip these. Okay. That one came out easy. There's a lot of dust in here, which is never good for any computer part. Oh, is there... No, just... Oh, there it goes. Okay, so there's the old one. Here's the new one. And now look at all that dust on my hands. Alright, so here's the new one. Look at that. Now, again, wristband. Make sure you have it. Okay, it says intention. Electronic to discharge. Attention. 0% for your hands. Electronic sensor. That is what this is. Alright. Because again, this graphic card is very, very expensive. And you don't want to ruin it. Okay. So. Oh my. Oh my god. Look at this sucker. There's the power. Wow. Only uses one power. Jeez. There's the logo. 1080 GTX. Then it's got the ports for the back of the unit. So this one has 3 HDMIs on it. So if you know anything about HDMI, that's how I plug in my monitor. So that is gonna be key. And that's why I had trouble unplugging it. The HDMI came out because I had it plugged into the monitor. So that's why it didn't come out. All right, well that makes sense now. But yeah, look at this thing. So you got the power here, and the okay. So this is gonna somehow go in this way. The power is there. What are these for? I have no clue what this is. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, so it's gonna go in. It's gotta go in this way. So the fan's underneath. So, how. Uh-oh. I knew this was gonna be tight. So, this. Alright, so this is gonna go in. Gee. The other one just fell. So, yeah, I think this is gonna have to go in right here. Oh. So it's gonna go in there. So how is this? Alright. Alright, so we need to get it into that, which it's in. Alright. So it's in, and it looks like, ooh, how does that, oh wait, it does take the same, does it, okay, I didn't. Is there anything else in here? Let's see here. Well, this is in, but now it needs the power of this. So you need to somehow plug this in so it gets power. Is there different mounts? So, oh wait, no. Is there a different one in here? No. Oh wait, no. So this gotta be this, I'm sure. Okay, is that gonna? Okay, that one in. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add in one of the HDMIs to the back, so we can at least see. Okay. I haven't screwed it in yet, because I want to make sure it works before I do that. So I want to screw one of the HDMIs in. I mean, you know, put it in. Oh my. It is in, but I'm having is this full each time well, what we can do is we can at least see if it powers on. Oh, did I? Okay. Well, at least we know it's getting power. It lights up green. That's awesome. We have the green. So I guess it just needs that much power. All I gotta figure out now is why the monitor port is not working. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's sweet. So it does work, as you can see in the machine. So we're gonna quickly turn this thing off. And somehow I think we gotta get this screwed in. And I think it just needs to be screwed in with the one. It does take several ports on the thing. Just so you guys know. So right now, hopefully. No, don't do that. The screw is not wanting to go in. It's an awkward angle to get it in. So we just gotta get that screw in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's it good. Alright. So we just took this extra thing out, which we don't need anymore. Because the graphic card took more room than I thought. And so right now what we're going to do is we're going to detach our thing from there. Because we're pretty much done. That's pretty much what I wanted to do today. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to get the screws. And I'm going to re-screw in our case. So here's the old one. It's a GeForce GT 560. And then we got the new 1080. And like I said, you do need a screwdriver. Make sure you get that wristband. It's very inexpensive, very nice to have. Especially if you're going to be building computers, because you really need it if you're going to be building computers. Alright, so, and then we're going to just screw in the one nut for now, because the other one fell behind. Oh yeah, look at that. That just looks so awesome. And there. This thing is not all the way over, I can see. So we're just gonna. So this computer is custom built, as you can see. It's got a I don't know what kind of graphic card. I mean, I know the graphic card now. It's a GT 1080. Hold on, this thing is not saying shut. So I guess I'll do the bottom nut. And I'll get the other one in a minute. Alright, so there's that. I'm gonna move my light for a sec here. Yes, I really can't. Okay, well, I'm gonna get the nut later. The other nut that goes in the back of the computer. Because I want to show you this thing powered on. And to do that, I gotta turn this around and see if I can get this plugged in. Oh, wait. This might be a different HDMI that I not have. Because this doesn't... Maybe I can plug it up here. Because the one that is here looks like it's... Oh wait, maybe this one? Where is it? That looks like it is. Let me look at the old one and see if it looks the same. It does. Okay. Alright, well, I think what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to figure, I think I have another HDMI cable somewhere in here in my room. I'm going to see if I have it, and then we will do another video of turning this sucker on. We know it does power on, which is a great thing, and you can see that GeForce graphics card in there. It's awesome. This is usually underneath my underneath this desk that it's on, so you don't really see it, but it's incredible computer now. That graphics card is going to really be helping a lot with all the editing. And also the one slot of memory that we got in will also help. If you didn't watch that video, go watch that video that is up too. And like I said, we'll try to get the other 4 in there if it will work. It's just about the memory slot. So we will get that to go as well. And I just don't know if this HDMI cord is not the full HDMI, which this graphics card in here is. The old one must have been a it looks like it was the full. Or maybe if I can get a DVI cable, which is the other port it goes on. This other one has HDMI, and then the DVI, which this new graphics card looks like it has a DVI cord, and then this can just plug right in. Because I am not seeing anything on the back that says HDMI. But I'm thinking it's a full HDMI maybe? Is there a difference from full and regular? Because, I don't know. Yeah, this says HDMI. This was in like this. So the back was up. And then it went in. That's what it looks like. Is this? No. So it's probably HDMI to HDMI, which I don't know if this is considered full or not, but we are going to end this video right now with that new graphic card inside. Look at that sucker in there. Oh my, it's awesome. And at least the power is on. There'll probably be another video now. Another video on the computer once I find that HDMI cable. Maybe I'll have to run out and get something. We'll see. But until my next video, I'm gonna have to say bye-bye for now.